Hello everyone and welcome back to my at-home study slash office. Today I'm going to open a brand new creamy mechanical keyboard. I bought this with my own money, and I do have a personal keyboard here at home that I use, but I also have an office downtown that I walk to every now and then when I want to get some serious work done, and I need a new keyboard to keep at my office. This price point is a bit cheaper than the one that I have here personally, so I wanted to try it out and test it, unbox it for you all so that you can hear it and decide if you want to get a new keyboard for yourself. So let's unbox this. I'm going to clip this on again. Actually, I might hold on to it. This is the least aesthetic unboxing video you have probably ever seen. She's so pretty. Okay, this is going to be my live reaction to hearing the clicks for the first time. I'm excited. I'm going to try to find a way to put this on me so that you can hear it very well. She sounds so beautiful. So now I'm gonna show you my keyboard, my personal keyboard side by side. I will say it does have a good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap or it feels very industrious and thick like a brick. I'll admit that this one is much heavier and heavy duty. This one is a bit lighter, which I like because I have to carry this and walk with it to work, and it's not as heavy. Alright, let's do a side-by-side comparison. First, we're going to do my wobkey. This is about $130 price point. This one is around a $65 to $70 price point. This one weighs a bit less. It doesn't have as much of a stop or punch when you click on to the tabs, but phenomenal entry-level mechanical keyboard in my opinion. All right. Why did I make that noise? Those are the two side by side. I'm going to do about a 10-minute additional complete ASMR video so that y'all can see both side by side. But this one seems like it has a lower octave compared to this wobkey mechanical keyboard. meaning this just sounds a bit lower and warmer. So it's just your personal preference. If you don't want to spend $130 on an absolute total unit, this is a brick. It is unmovable. I think this is a great entry level for a affordable, budget-friendly mechanical keyboard, and it has the creamiest click-clacks on the keyboard. I will see y'all later, and I'm gonna type away.